Snowy too. We're starting to transition from a travel impact sort of thing. I'm getting increasingly concerned about how temperatures are going to unfold over the next couple of days. But first, let's recap the snow. Areas south of I-40 certainly got the most. About 1 to 2 inches fell in those locations. From Lexington at 2 inches, places like Sheffield and Davie County, Asheboro got 1.5 inches. We had lesser totals the farther north you went, including Pufftown, Summerfield, just trace amounts there. Greensboro did get that 0.4 inches of snow, and that was significant because that broke a snow drought. The last time we had measurable snow before yesterday was on January 29th, 2022, nearly 3 years ago. It wasn't much snow, but it was enough to break the drought. That's the second longest snow drought that we have had. The other one was back in the 90s. So cold temperatures yesterday. 41 was our high. I believe that was our forecast high too. Mid to upper 30s in the foothills, and only got to 28 degrees in Galax yesterday afternoon. That's a bitterly cold day. Temperatures nearly 15 degrees below the norm and certainly far off record paces. 21 though, not too far off from that record of 13 degrees. For today's date anyway, from 1940. We're at 21 now at PTI Airport. We do have a shot at teens as temperatures continue to cool over the next couple of hours. This would be the coldest morning since late January. So Arctic air is certainly leaving its mark here. We have another push of Arctic air that will arrive for Thursday, really through Saturday, before temperatures begin to warm up again. As the cold really created the travel issues yesterday, temperatures are even colder this morning compared to yesterday. Fortunately, the sun came out. It dried most of the roadways. The shady areas still have some residual snow and ice on them. But cold air is in place this morning, but high pressure building to the south. That's going to start to change our wind direction today. We get more of a southwest wind. It could gust as high as 15 to 20. It only raises temperatures into the mid 40s today. But as we head into tomorrow, it does get a little bit milder ahead of our last Arctic front, and this comes through late tonight into tomorrow. I think we have an early day high tomorrow, and then temperatures start to crash again Thursday afternoon. Then we'll likely stay very cold until Saturday, at least early Saturday. Temperature up near 46 today. Good sunshine. I think we'll have at least a period where we could see a few extra clouds later in the afternoon today. We'll certainly see them farther west. Temperatures also in the mid 40s in the foothills today after a frigid start, in near 40 in the mountains. That's pretty good recovery considering that temperatures never got out of the 20s yesterday. So let's look ahead of the hour by hour. Again, a few clouds cruise by for at least a period of time this afternoon. We should stay above freezing later on tonight. As an Arctic front moves in, it will likely create a few mountain snow showers, and then the cold Arctic air really starts to drop our temperatures. It's also going to start to pick up the winds in many of our mountain locations, and those winds could be quite strong. There is a high wind warning for Watauga County, Ashe, Allegheny, and Grayson counties. It doesn't go into effect until 7 o'clock tonight, but continues all the way to 4 o'clock on Thursday. In those areas, gusts up to 60 miles per hour are possible. We're also expecting a period of snow showers. In all zones, the wind chill temperature is really going to come down too. It's fine for later on this afternoon. We'll feel like freezing early tomorrow morning. And then as we get into early Thursday, watch how quickly these wind chill temperatures drop. It's going to feel colder Thursday afternoon than it will Thursday morning, with single-digit wind chills possible in the mountains. And then Thursday night into early Friday morning, it really drops off. Could feel below 0 in the mountains, as cold as 5 below in Boone. And it's going to feel like teens here locally Friday morning and not warm up much from there. So get ready for some cold air. Protect your pipes. I'm getting increasingly concerned about water main breaks later on this week because this will be the coldest air we've seen so far this season.